Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove phone number verification from Binance. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Binance application on your mobile phone. Now here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the Binance logo present at the top left corner. Then tap on your user ID present at the top. Now here you can see security option, tap on it. Now here under two-factor authentication you can see a downward arrow option, tap on it. Then here you'll be able to find phone number, tap on phone number. Now here you can see a small bean icon near your phone number, tap on it. Now here Binance will ask you if you really want to remove your phone number. Once your phone number is unlinked from your Binance account, you cannot use the phone number for another 24 hours. Similarly, removing your phone number verification from Binance can increase greater risks on your Binance account. So here tap on the three box, then tap on continue. Now, if you have set up passkey on your Binance account, you need to verify your account through your passkey. Once it's done, you'll be able to remove phone number verification from Binance. Here you can see the phone number verification has been removed. And this is how we can remove phone number verification from Binance. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.